Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum also moved up higher yesterday and reached actually my ideal target. Finally, after Bitcoin was already miles ahead and Ethereum sort of trying to catch up but failing. I mean, Ethereum is still weak, okay? So there isn't really anything particularly new to mention. However, what is really noteworthy is that Ethereum has reached in our yellow scenario, which is the bearish count, which hasn't even been challenged. I mean, in the yellow count, Ethereum is doing absolutely what it's supposed to be doing. Bitcoin kind of, but Bitcoin pushed a little high, for this B wave here. Yeah. So if obviously comparing it with Bitcoin, if you watch the Bitcoin video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The Bitcoin hasn't invalidated the yellow scenario either. Ethereum is just respecting it even better. And it's reached yesterday or overnight 2,404 or 2,400, which is the 61.8 retracement of the decline that happened between the 2nd of September and the 6th of September. And also the 100% extension target, which is the 100% Fibonacci extension of the initial A wave of that yellow B wave rally. And this is typically an ideal target for wave C. And already a couple of days ago, I highlighted to you, I think even 3 days ago for the first time, that the price should ideally reach that level. I could do that once we had the A wave in place and the B wave, the internal B wave in yellow, which bottomed here on the 8th of September on Sunday. And I posted on Discord for our gold members here on the 9th in the morning. The price should ideally reach 2,400 before forming a top in wave C of B in yellow. This level represents the 100% extension projection of wave A in yellow, which is the ideal target of wave C. So you were all aware of that key target. Price has moved towards it. I'm not saying this was a great achievement of the bulls or anything, but it just means now that this was a key resistance, even one where two Fibonacci levels did align. The golden ratio level, 61.8 retracement, and the 100% extension. And the thing is, Ethereum only got there now, and it's only a 3-wave move up, and we haven't even fulfilled any requirements for the more bullish scenario that's highlighted here in white. So I said to you that the yellow count remains preferred until I see at least 5 waves up in white, which should reach the 1.618 extension at 2,508 USD. So what are we watching for today? First of all, I did mention that in the Bitcoin video as well. And if you haven't watched it, I recommend you still do that because there's always lots of information in the Bitcoin update as well. But please note today, CPI data, we could see some seemingly random volatility today that might not really lead anywhere. Could lead to some distortions. Even if we go a little bit higher, it would not invalidate the yellow scenario as such. And the move to the upside from that Friday low, the 6th of September, it just looks corrective. It just looks too choppy. So yellow count, I have no reasons to abandon the yellow count at the moment. First of all, to more clearly put the bulls into the driver's seat, we would need to see a 3rd wave in white to the upside, get to the 1.38 extension at least at 2,467. And then the 5th wave needs to get to 2,500 plus. So there's still a lot of work to do for the bulls. We'll see if they can do it. For now, I'm watching the yellow count, and all I can say is the price reacted to an ideal target for that yellow B wave. And if we now see a break below the 2,245 level, which is the internal B wave low from Sunday the 8th, and then a break below the green trend line as well on a sustained basis, or let's say a 1-2 setup to the downside would help as well, which means 5 waves down, 3 waves up. If they are clear, they are not always clear on the smaller time frames. All of that would confirm that we've started wave C of circle 3 to the downside. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.